Hello student, in this video you will see solution of question number 9 and 10 of exercise 15.2 volume and surface area. Okay, so children, in question number 9 it has been said that a cylindrical pipe has an outer diameter of 14 centimeter and inner diameter of 11.2 centimeter. Its length is 20 centimeter. It has to be painted on its outer and inner surface as well as its rim at the top and bottom. If the rate of painting is ₹0.07 per centimeter square, find the total cost of the painting. Okay, so in this question we have given a cylindrical pipe having outer and inner diameter. Outer is 14 centimeter and inner diameter is 11.2 centimeter, and the length of the cylindrical pipe is given us, which is 20 centimeter, and we have to paint it inner and outer surface area and area rim of both sides. So we have to ask the total cost of the painting of the pipe when the rate of painting 0.07 per centimeter square. Okay, so we have to given us radius, inner radius. So let inner radius R1 of cylinder, which is equal to 11.2 divided by 2 centimeter, where diameter is given, so radius becomes 11.2 by 2, which is equal to 2 times 10, which is 12 centimeter. And similarly the outer radius this will be R2. R2 is equal to 14 centimeter divided by 2 equal to 7 centimeter, and the length H of cylinder, this is given to us 20 centimeter. Okay, and we have to set to paint its outer and inner surface as well rim of the top and bottom. So first find what will be total inner and outer surface area of the cylindrical pipe. So in outer and inner surface area equal to, so outer and inner surface area of the cylindrical pipe will be calculated by using formula 2 pi R1 H plus, this is the inner curved surface area plus outer 2 pi R2 H. Okay, so here we can take 2 pi R1 plus I2 H 2 pi as a common, 2 pi RH. Okay, so this is R1 plus R2. Now substituting the value over here, this is 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius R1 R2. R1 is 5.6 plus R2 is 7 centimeter into height is 20 centimeter. So again simplify. So this is 2 into 22, 44 by 7 into 5.6 plus 7. So this is 12.6 into 20 centimeter square. Okay. Now multiply 12. Divide 12.6. So we will get, this is 7 into 7 and 8. Okay. So this is 44.1.8 into 20 centimeter square. And after multiplication of this quantity, 44 into 1.8 into 20, that gives us 1584 centimeter square. Okay, 1584 centimeter square. So this is the total inner and outer surface area of the cylindrical pipe. Okay, and also now I will find area of the ring of top and bottom. Okay, so area of the ring top and bottom is calculated by 2 into 2 means we have to multiply 2 because both cylindrical pipe have both sides same circular area. Okay, so that will be calculated by pi R2 square minus pi R1 square. So this is 2 into the pi is common. Okay, so value of pi is 22 by 7 and R2, the value of R2 is, this is 7 into 7 minus R1 is 5.6 into 5.6. Okay, centimeter square. So this is 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 7 49 minus 5.6 into 5.6. So this will be 31.36 centimeter square. Now simplify this. So this is 2 into 22 by 7 into 49 minus 31.36. Okay, so we will get 17.64 centimeter square, and after simplification that gives 110.8 centimeter square. This is the total area of the ring, that is top and bottom of the cylindrical pipe. Okay, so the total area to be painted is equal to total area equal to, we have to add inner and outer surface area plus area both the area of the ring, that is top and bottom. So this is 1584 plus 110.88 centimeter square. 1584 plus 1088 centimeter square. So we will get total area equal to, this is 8 and 4 9 6 1694 centimeter square. 1694.88 centimeter square. This is the total area we have to paint. Okay, and here the rate of painting given us, this is rupees 0.7 per centimeter square. Okay, so cost of 1 centimeter square painting is given rupees 0.07. Okay, 0.07. So therefore the cost of 1694.88 centimeter square painting equal to rupees 0.07 into 94.88. Okay, 94.88, which is equal to the product of 0.7 into 9.4.88, that gives us rupees 118.6416, and near about this will be 118, means 118.65. Okay, 118.6465. So this is the total cost of painting the pipe. Okay, total cost of painting the pipe equal to 118.65 rupees. Okay, so dear children, this is the solution of question number 9, and this is the required answer.